on, guys.
All right, Brian, let's go.
Yes! Let's go, Aaron! Hey, Rob. What's up? Don't do what I did. Okay. Don't stop.
Go, man, go. You can do it.
Oh, garbage right here, man. Oh.
The skateboard technique. Hit it hard. Nice.
Yeah.
Go, go, go. All right. Tough, huh?
Yeah.
All right, the first one to make it.
Ooh. Go ahead.
Thanks. Oh, sorry.
Most everybody's walking this.
Alright, let me get 2 feet on the pedals. Make it look good.
This is video.
Oh, man. This is the worst section right here.
Yeah, you got made once you get by here.
A lot of people have been walking here.
Only one person has made it.
Shocking. Crushing it through here.
How to get through here?
Thank you. Y'all have a great day.
All right, have fun. All right.
Rock gardens are not my forte.
Well, you're almost out of it.
Well, it flattens out up there, so you'll get to be on the bike a little bit.
Yeah, I know it's too rough.
See, is you killing it in this one corner?
Okay.
You got it.
I'm spending more time on the ground than on the bike.
Yeah! That's
that
awesome. You can't even tell you're falling. It looks great. Are you alright?
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay, good.
I'm just like shaken up because I've fallen so many times.
Yep, so you're clean.
Well,
It flattens out up here in a little while. Keep it up.
you're almost out of the
Way
rocks.
to fight it. Yeah, I like the action. Keep up the effort, man. Good job. Good work. Good work.